So I know what you're thinking. Why would I bother duplicating this plastic six-pack holder in wood? Being an artist can encompass a lot of things. Now, some of my fellow artists feel that it may be necessary to be controversial or make a statement in your art in order for something to be art. I disagree. I think it's perfectly okay to make something that is simply nice to look at. Every once in a while I do make something that does make a statement. When I tell people to get out there and make some art, I say, go make something beautiful or ugly. Regular watchers of my videos will know that I usually just make things that are visually interesting, at least I hope. I like to think that art should provoke an emotional reaction, either good or bad. I would hope that you get a positive emotional reaction from my usual work. Also, regular watchers of my videos will know that I participated in an art event earlier this year called Artfields. Now it happens every year, and the call for artists is opening very soon. So I had to finish it soon in order to get it ready to photograph, to send, to apply to this juried exhibition. And there's a $50,000 top prize. So I wanted to have a piece of art that makes a statement and cause an emotional reaction. I'm going to show you how you can change the context of a sculpture or a piece with one simple trick. Hopefully you got a positive reaction from my sea turtle video that I made a little while ago. So how does that change the context of this sculpture? Just something to think about. Yeah, so this is going to be my Artfields entry this year. Of course, it's to draw attention to the amount of trash in contemporary oceans. Interestingly enough, this is the same wood. It came from the same tree. It's cherry, and you can see the difference in the color just over a few months. Cherry changes color over time, but this is a good illustration of just how much. Now, this was my original intent for this sculpture the whole time, but I didn't want to bum anyone out. I was talking with someone recently about this, and I showed him what I intended to do, and he said, you know, yeah, that's kind of depressing once you put that on. And he said, yeah, I'd be happy to display this in my home like this, but he also agreed that if I'm putting it in a juried exhibition, that this makes a stronger statement. So anyway, I'm just gonna put some spray lacquer on this and call it done. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I'll be back to less depressing videos soon. See you next time in Cammy's Garage.